This is a woven fabric made with a marl. All the cables start at the bottom and travel either to the right or to the left. When the cables get to the end of the round or near the edge, they change direction and start going in the other direction. You'll find two kinds of stitches on your needles. There's background stitches, and those you'll see are stitches that have two loops on the needle. And there's design stitches. They sit at the very top of the cables, and each of those stitches only has one loop on the needle. You'll find the design stitches in groups of 4, 2 from each cable approaching it, and the background stitches will be in pairs as well. The only place where that's not true is near the end of the round or the edge of the fabric, where you might have a cable on its own.